Good morning, everyone. We are coming to you on this beautiful fall morning from our latest project, Artisan Organic. The clients came to us, they just wanted to update their exterior. One thing led to another, and we thought, well, if you're gonna update the sunroom, it would be really nice if the living room would flow into the sunroom so you could extend that outdoor living space, and we renovated their whole house. We added a large walk-in pantry at the top of the stairs to provide adequate storage for our clients' baking and cooking needs. But when you turn right, you have this really deep, beautiful alcoved archway, and it really just guides you into the space, and it kind of just sets the tone for all the architectural details. The dining room has one of my favorite chandeliers. I don't usually repeat things in projects, but this one is so good. So we added wall-to-wall base cabinetry, tons of extra storage, and then we have these two beautiful Amber Lewis sconces and a really nice piece of the client's art in that room. And it just feels like a really lovely room that you would just want to sit and enjoy a nice dinner with your close friends and family and just make beautiful memories. This kitchen layout I love. So we did the largest island I think we've ever done. It's larger than the largest jumbo slab of quartz. We've done this really nice range wall. So we have a beautiful decorative hood. We've got a quartz shelf running at full width, and then we flanked it with upper cabinets that sit right on the counter. We did a Fisher Paykel appliance package in this project. So we have that beautiful counter depth panel-ready fridge, and then the beautiful 48-inch wide range. So it's a gas range, 6 burners, we've got the grill on there. We also added storage on the back side of the island. So our client loves to make pottery, and we thought, what better way to display some of her works than right on the end of the island. And then we added this beautiful coffee nook. So the color palette in this house is like fully inspired by some of our clients' art. And so we really wanted to bring in all the earth tones. So we used Benjamin Moore's willow, moody, earthy brown. We added some wainscot on the back to just add a little bit of texture. And we used Caesarstone's rugged concrete counter, which looks quite like soapstone. So this is the perfect nook to get your morning started. And then that leads you to this beautiful peninsula. It's a really great spot to enjoy that morning cup of coffee, and it also has the cutest little bird sconce. So it's kind of just this eclectic little nook that adds a little bit more storage to the space, but also just creates interest in the floor plan. Our client is originally from Australia. As we all know, that is the land of bringing the outdoors in. And so that was a big inspiration for this addition. So we've done a vaulted living room with a covered deck that extends past that, and full floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding doors. It basically feels like a sunroom, but it is used all year long. And then you go out these beautiful sliding doors onto the covered deck. This is really where the whole project began. The clients wanted to utilize the backyard in a better way, and this ties in perfectly with their existing landscaping. So this deck leads down to their hardscaped patio. They've got a pizza oven and a smoker, and it's going to be the perfect place to host and entertain all summer long. I think one of my favorite things about this career is really getting to know people and the way we can pull inspiration from different places. So because this client is very artistic, she does pottery, she likes to bake sourdough, she has this great art collection. It was really easy to kind of customize this space for her, pulling all those colors out of her artwork. And we have this beautiful rust-colored custom lounge chair. It's so comfortable and inviting. We specifically designed this chair and fabric to work with that painting. It's very rewarding knowing that this space is so personalized to our clients, and now they get to enjoy this every single day.